So the first thing that I want to do to solve my problem using the standard algorithm is that I need to write down both numbers and I need to stack them over each other. And I want to make sure that my numbers are all lined up the right way before I start my math. So I'm going to start with the first number, 132. And then I'm going to put 257 underneath. And I want to make really sure that those numbers are nice and lined up because it'll make it a lot easier for me to add. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide my groups of numbers by their place value. And I don't need to do this, but I'm just going to put a little zero or an O for ones, a T for tens, and an H for hundreds, just so that I was reminding myself what place values those all were. So I'm going to solve. We always want to start from the right side and work our way to the left. Never, ever start from the left side. Ever. Don't ever do that. It's a really bad way to mess up some good thinking that you had. So I'm going to start on the right side. Bloop. And I'm going to add 7 plus 2. I can either do that in my head, I could do that on my fingers, or if I wanted to, I could draw a picture on the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I need to add a group of 2. 1, 2. And then if I draw my math like I just did on the side, what I like to do is I like to cross them out as I'm counting, because that helps me make sure that I'm not counting one twice or skipping one. I can see with my eye which one I'm counting as I'm counting. So I'm going to do that as I count how many I have in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know now that 7 plus 2 is 9, and I'm going to put that underneath in the ones column. Now I'm ready to move over to my tens column. So I see that I have 5 plus 3. So again, I could draw a picture, and I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3. And then I could count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then put that underneath the tens column. Shabam. Now I can look over at the hundreds. I can look at 1 plus 2. I know that 1 plus 2 is 3. So my answer is 389.